I honestly do not believe this will get posted because this looks ridiculous. Hey guys, so we're just going to go ahead and get started. Today we are going to be doing a 3-strand twist. I am terrified because I've never done that before. However, we're going to try this out. So this will not be a tutorial. I'm just going to be trying to twist my hair. And of course, I'm going to be using my Melanin Haircare Twist Along Style Cream and my main choice, Tropical Moringa Pearly Braid Out Glaze. So let's just jump into it. I'm gonna be doing the middle part. I know my part looks crazy, but I promise you it's straight. It's just looking dumb. So I got a piece back here, already nice and detangled. Y'all, I'm trying this new, y'all know the reel feature on Instagram? I'm trying that, so let's just say I'm already failing at it because that thing is hard and I don't have a phone stand to put my phone on to make it easier for me to record, but we're gonna see. So taking this much and you're gonna put it on the hair. The leave-in I used today was the main choice type 4-leaf clover leave-in cream, not the spray bottle but the cream. I have 2 of these Melanin Haircare containers on my desk. I'm not even sure why both of them have been used already. That's what happens when you buy so many. All right, taking my braid out glaze and putting it on my hair. So I watched the first video that popped up about 3-strand twists on YouTube, and it doesn't seem like it is that complicated, but y'all know sometimes when things don't appear that complicated, they are. So brush through that one more time. All right, so I'm just gonna start by braiding it at the top, that way I can get like a good beginning. All right, the braid at the top is done, but I still have my 3 sections. Oh Lord, y'all. It looked so much easier on the YouTube. So she said to take the furthest one out and put it all the way over. Hold on. Let me do this first one and I'll come back. Y'all, it literally just took me 2 minutes to do one twist. Like, it is hard, but y'all look at this. Y'all see how defined and like tight this is? I know you probably can't see like the actual, let me come closer. That's how the 3-strand twist looks. I'm gonna take bigger sections because I'm not about to be here all night doing this mess. I'm just really not, I'm not. Y'all think that's too big? Maybe. Because that last twist took entirely too long. I was nervous in the first half because my roots just look crazy. And I ain't like that. The way this cream just melts into the hair is astronomical. I'm gonna take 3 sections. That's 1 section. 1, 2. Take the outside and bring it over. Holding it nice and tight. Bring this one over. Tight. Hold on, y'all, do this a little bit faster now. So my thoughts are that this is going to give me like a more like coily look. Yeah, I'm sorry I'm looking so like serious, but yeah, we gotta be serious for this. When I get down to the end, it's just, I don't know what to do. So I'm just gonna just like twirl it in my hands. Always take off the excess product, y'all. You don't want anything to flake. Not that these products are gonna flake, but just in case. And there's my thicker 3-strand. And it's still a 3-strand. So I'll take some more braid out glaze and just twist it and make it a little bit tighter. And you see it. Let me come close so y'all can see it. So the end is a little bit stretched, but y'all know it's gonna roll up, so. So I'm gonna finish doing this section because this is kind of like real hard to focus and film at the same time, and then we'll see how that looks. Y'all, it literally took me a whole hour to 3-strand twist this hair. You wanna know why? Because my top part will not stop unraveling. The back is perfect. The front right here will not stop unraveling. So I can't, like, this is how it looks. I have this little clip on it, so hopefully that these things don't get trying to unravel again. But it has me almost wanting to do like just a comparison video. Cause it's late, I'm tired, I want to go to sleep. Like, your girl is mad. But I still have half of my hair to do. I'm just gonna come back and we'll see how it looks at the end. So let me not fast forward. I'm gonna skip to this side and then we'll be back. The right side turned out easier and faster than the left side was. And honestly, I'm not surprised. I'm guessing it's because I got used to it on my left side. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna let this sit overnight, and then tomorrow after one of my eyelash appointments, I will come back and we will unravel this 3-strand twist, and hopefully the results are popping. I really do hope they are, but we're gonna see. So without further ado, see y'all guys tomorrow. Peace. This is what it looks like up close. Rope. Just don't know what to do with this side, but we're gonna just let it be. Hey guys, I'm back and it's the next day, and I have let my hair dry overnight. I had to send you my hooded dryer because this little frosty hair, y'all, it holds water too much. It's ridiculous. So anyways, so I've tried to so I've like untangled, like, not untangled, I've unraveled like the back part of my hair, just like right here, just to make sure it was dry. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to unravel my hair and we're gonna see, you know, what the vibes are. I don't know. And y'all, like I said, I'm filming a reel, so I'm really trying to like remember to take clips of me doing my hair on it. Don't judge. First of all, y'all see that? That's the definition from the 3-strand. And I see why people like it, because like, it's more spirally. My nose is itching. I don't know why. I guess the front of my hair is just looser than the rest. But this is how it looks unraveled. Y'all know what I'm about to do, right? I'm about to stretch this bad boy out, okay? Out. So, BRB. Alright guys, so I have stretched my hair out, and now we're just going to try to like go in and like individually like define, well not define, but separate some of the bigger sections. I honestly do not believe this will get posted because this looks ridiculous. And like I said, I don't be having time to have horrible wash days because I be having to go to work. Why is my nose itching? Trying to like shape it out, but like this thing does not even have a good shape. Yeah, what do y'all think? Like, am I overreacting? Like, look at this side. I think this side looks foolish. I mean, the moisture's there, but I'm so like used to having the best definition ever, and this is not giving the girls the best definition ever. I don't know what's going on this side. I mean, it's not bad. It's looking kind of cute, but still, y'all know what I'm used to. Y'all know what I'm used to. So, I'm about to just clip that out my face real quick. And where's another clip? Clip this to this side. And what we're going to do is we're going to slick my edges. It had me in the first half. It really did. But y'all, so I do kind of like it. I've slicked my edges. I've changed my shirt. And yeah, it's kind of cute. After fluffing it and playing with it like 1,000 times, it's gotten better. Look at that. Look at that movement. And look at that movement. It's cute. Let's get up close. And by the way, y'all need to come up close like slowly because this shirt is not even buttoned. But y'all like it? Still some frizz in some places. But it's cute. Alright guys, so I'm so glad you guys stayed to the end, and I think I'm gonna post it this time. So with that being said, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching. Maybe my next three strand twist will not be as problematic, and we're gonna try to do it a little bit better and a little bit more slower. However, I do think the technique is, once your fingers get used to it, it's not as bad. Meanwhile, I was freaking out, but still, don't judge. So with that being said, I'm gonna end the video right here. I'm about to run out of camera space, but y'all don't forget to follow me on my IG at _BeyondBlair. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye bye.